Just hold. Don't do anything, okay?
Hold on for what, love? Please, I don't want to be sick tomorrow. Woo, baby! Look at your van, look where I'm at! Naisha, say hello! I say! You only ever live once, bitches! Oh my god! Hello, hello, TikTokers! I told you I'd do anything for my fans! Oh, Mom, you know. Woo, baby, I'm on top of the world! Isn't this lovely? Look what we can do! Oh, this is the best fun! Oh my god! Naisha, I wonder if we get him all up. I'm just open. And I'm alright. Neither one of us can swim. Mum, look how blue the water is. My bum's a bit cold. Whoa, baby! I've never been up. There's something so high. It ain't that bad. It's quite lovely now. Isn't it beautiful? I just don't want to see the landing. I'm gonna fall. I got the cheek to get the shots. Hi. Bless it. Oh my, is it getting higher, Mum? Oh, hi. Mum, I can't be getting any higher. Oh, we're guys, it's Folky doing this. Mum, I hate you. 6 feet, VIP. VIP, baby. Oh. Oh, my bum's cold. Say hello, ladies and everyone. Hi. And a peaceful up here. Oh my god, look how cool people. Oh, the wind's getting me now. And it's lovely. Look at the mountains. We should do a boat ride, Naisha. This is the best I've ever felt in my life, you know. I could do this some more, you know. Now they gotta take us around. The breeze is getting us. How many mothers can do this with the daughters? Only me. Ain't that frightful, is it? Imagine we're sitting on a bit of rag. But we got life jackets on. That's all. Imagine that drop with your life jacket. So. What's that black hole down there? Look at that black hole. Look at that black hole there, Naisha. Is that us? Look, what is that? Is that George in the water? Oh, it's higher. All the time. No one can see that you're through. With that higher. I feel so peaceful. There's your posh holiday, my Naisha. You gotta live a little. Look, we can go on one of them little covers. That black hole's there, you idiot. Is it? The parachute. Is that our Jetski's hanging? Ah! How do you feel, Naisha? Do you feel alive? Oh,